Friends song tabok nailai sakri ni exam competitive exam rogani thangke national te international longni important de jeke pan syllabus tong hinke orani bisingo jeke pan kaisa kalai thung exam on tabo SSC honde railway honde Tpsc honde nangje jaga pan exam rogani amhai job ni exam rogani thangke exam 1 mark le important day ni 5 haini bage omno serengla hangge ni ro 1 mark easy ne manai amo kaisa ni ro guarantee ro win sawo ani ro exam to chakri ni exam ro la hangke ni ro nubu nungnai 1 mark on bisingo jeke pane phaimani hangke omno kaha ke nai porela hangke 1 mark oroni bisingo ne kalainai hangke angni roni bage omhaini to bai phainai 1 mark ke important rongni chi omhai important no naige ni rongno phunugui ro nai hingke ni rogo serengla hangke exam rogani thangla hangke kisa kalaibai ne yognai jat haini bage hingke sengani sekang ni rongno masaw ani channel o katal ko subscribe khai ko tongla hangke subscribe khai gei tongroti haike angbo ani bokaro bo tei srangai phai video katal toi phege amhai je nangmani rono tobai phai phunu khai ani bagai hingke omo simia sakri roni tabo job notification katal sopai tongla hangke ang bohai roni bagai bo tobai phunugui rongno phunugui ronai haini bagai ani channel bai je phorone krengai tonglai di hingke chenglai sinai January 1 January o hingke World Peace Day oro jaga hai balaijak udin palaijak ta 1 January o hingke 4 January o hingke National World Braille Day hi palaijak afroke hingke tekaise ko niro video log jagai pha thangmao kisa omna pura nai thanglai gani naila hangke haini bage kisa khalogoi nailai dita haike PDF no niro PDF to niro manai ne hingke PDF no naike be niro apro serengnai hi engai thangnai haini bage ne tapok ang bai paksa soman ke nai thangla hangke kisa sau hingke bari aine lefini 6 January ni 6 January o hingke World Day War Orphan hi palaijak hingke 9 January go hingke NRI Day hi palaijak ta hingke 10 January go hingke World Lottery Day aprongke monai mani rok hata 11 January go hingke National Human Trafficking Awareness Day apro salo palaijak hingke 12 January National Youth Day oroke India nita omoke national te international taw India roni bohai roni bage omo de palai mani nangni roni bage phunugui tong hingke ang kok sayawoi tabo phot nai thanglai sinai hingke 15 January Army Day India o palai jamani hingke 20 January World Religion Day wall palai jaga religion hingke 24 January National Girl Child Day India 25 January Tourism Day and National Voter Day India hingke 26 Republic Day India 27 January International Holocaust Remembrance Day 30 January World Leprosy Eradication Day 2 February World Wetland Day hingke 3 February World Cancer Awareness Day 4 February World Cancer Day 6 February International Day of Zero Tolerance and Female Genital Mutilation 12 February International Day of Women's Health 13 February World Radio Day UNESCO 20 February World Day of Social Justice 21st February National Mother Language Day. 23 February World Peace and Understanding Day. 24 February Central Exercise Day. 28 February National Science Day, India. 24 March World Day of the Fight Against Sexual Exploitation. 8 March International Women Day, International Literacy Day. Udino kainita. Okay. 14 March International Day of Action of for Rivers. 15 March World Customer Right Day, World Disabled Day. 16 March National Vaccination Day. 21st March International Day for the elimination of racial discrimination, UN World Forestry Day. 22 March World Day for Water. Udin palaijang mani nong udin bai din palaijang mani ang bahai na simin tabong ni nong sasawai thang tong ta. 23rd March ke World Meteorological Day. 24 March World Tuberculosis Day. April ni hingke 2nd April World Autism Awareness Day. 5 April National Maritime Day, India. 7 April World Health Day. 14 April Cultural Unity Day recognized by India, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bangladesh. National Law Day, India. 17 April World Haemophilia Day. 18 April World Heritage Day. 21st April Civil Service Day, India. 22 April Art Day. 25 April World Malaria Day, National Administrative Professional Day. 26 April World Intellectual Property Day. May hingke first May hingke Labor Day. 2nd May hingke International Astronomy Day. 3rd May hingke World Solar Energy Day, World Asthma Day. 8th May hingke World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day. 9th May hingke World Thalassemia Day. 10 May World Mother Day. 11 May National Technology Day, India. 12 May World Migratory Bird Day. 13 May International Criminal Court Day. 7 May World Telecommunication Day, World Information Society Day. 18 May International Museum Day. 19 May World Hepatitis Day. 20 May World Meteorology Day. 21st May World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development Anti-Tourism Day. 22 May International Day for Biological Diversity. 24 May Communal Day. 29 May National Day of United Nations Peacekeeper International Mount Everest Day chosen by Nepal. 31st May World Anti-Tobacco Day. June honge 1st June honge National Children Day or International Children Day. 4th January International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Agresium. 5 June World Environment Day. 6 June Hunger Day. 8 June World Ozone Day. 12 June World Day Against Child Labor. 14 June World Blood Donor Day. 15 June World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. 16 June International Integration Day. 17 June World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought. 19 June World Sickle Day, Cell Day. 20 June World Refugee Day. 21st June World Music Day. 23rd June United Nations Public Service Day, International Olympic Day. Okay. 26 International Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking International Day in support of victims of torture. Third Sunday of June International Father's Day. July 1st July Doctor Day. 2nd July World UFO Day, World Sport Journalist Day. 7 July International Cooperative Day. 11 July World Population Day. 18 July Mandela Day. 26 July Kargil Memorial Day. 28 July World Hepatitis Day, World Nature Conservation Day. 29 July International Tiger Day. 30 July International Day of Friendship. August 1st August Clergy Sexual Abuse Awareness Day. 6 August Hiroshima Day, Anti-Nuclear Day. 8 August World Senior Citizenship Day. 9 August Nagasaki Day, International Day of the World's Indigenous People. 10 August Genju Prevention Day. 12 August International Youth Day. 15 August India's Independence Day. 19 August okay. World Humanitarian Day. 20 August World Mosquito Day. 23rd August International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its abolition. 29 August in National Sport Day India. International Day Against Nuclear Tests. 2nd September World Coconut Day. 4th September Minority Welfare Day, World Cerebral Palsy Day. 5 September Teachers Day India. 8 September International Literacy Day. 11 September World Fast AI Day. 8 12 September United Nations Day for South Corporation. 14 September Hindi Day India. 15 September International Day of Democracy. 16 September World Ozone Day. 19 September International Talk Like a Parrot Day. 21st September International Day of His World Alzheimer Days. 22 September World Rhino Day. 26 September World Day of the Deaf. 28 September Right to Know Day. 30 September Blasphemy Day. October 1st October hanke International Day of Older Persons. 2nd October International Day of Non-Violence. Non-violence kaisa hanke Human Rights Protection Day, World Animals Day. Asa aproni tinon 2nd October hanke. 3rd October hanke World Nature Day. 4 October hanke World Animal Day. 5 October World Teachers Day. 8 October World Humanitarian Action Day. 10 October National Forest Day India. 13 October World Day for Natural Disaster Reduction for Calamity Control Day. 15 October International Day of Rural Women. 16 October World Food Day. 17 October International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. 20 October International Day of the Air Traffic Control. 24 October United Nations Day, World Development Information Day, World Polio Day. 27 October World Day for Audio Visual Heritage. 30 October World Thrift Day. 31st October National Integration Day India. November hanke 6 November International Day for preventing the exploitation of the environment in war and armed conflict. 9 November World Legal Service Day. 10 November World Immunization Day. 12 November World Pneumonia Day. 13 November World Kindness Day. Okay. 14 November Children's Day India. 16 November International Day for Tolerance, World Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day. 17 November International Students Day. 19 November International Journalist Remembrance Day, International Men's Day. 20 November Africa Industrialization Day and Universal Children's Day, Transgender Day of Remembrance. 21st November World Television Day, World Fisheries Day. 25 November International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. 26 November National Law Day India. 29 November International Day of Solidarity with the Paiphlaiya people. December okay. 1st December World AIDS Day. 2nd December International Day for the abolition of slavery. 3rd December World Conservation Day. 4 December Indian Navy Day. 5 December International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development. 7 December Indian Armed Force Flag Day, International Civil Aviation Day. And 9 December the International Day Against Corruption. 10 December Human Rights Day, International Animals Rights Day. 11 December International Mountain Day. 12 December the National Day of Heavy Metal. 14 December National Energy Conservation Day India. 18 December International Migrant Day. 20 December International Human Solidarity Day. 23rd December Farmer Day India. 29 December International Diversity Day. Okay. Omo nirok nangmani omo porela hangke. Jeke pano competitive exam rogani thangla hangke nirok orojago 1 mark le jeke pano manai. Haini bagi omo kahangke porela hangke kisa samani. Inke nirok nini dolo nabu share khaigi brong nabu sirogui tonglai di omo haike borok bo omo haike siwi tongani bagi. Inke ani channel bai bo kereng ya khotong hangke joto na kereng gei tongke belai ke joto na hambai.